In today's video, I'm going to teach you Figma wireframe tutorial for beginners. We'll walk through the essential actions, keep things clear, and make sure you feel confident creating a basic wireframe from start to finish. Begin by opening the Figma website in your browser. Once the homepage loads, go to your workspace and open the design file where you want to build your wireframe. If you already have a project set up, open that file. If it's a blank canvas, that's perfectly fine too. The key is simply getting your design file open and ready. Next, click Actions. This opens Figma's Quick Actions panel, a handy way to find tools and commands without digging through menus. In that panel, choose Plugin. You'll see a search bar appear. In the search bar, type Wireframe, then click the Wireframe option that appears in the results. This is the plugin that will provide ready-made wireframe elements so you can build faster. Now click Run to launch the plugin. After it opens, you'll see a library or panel with pre-built low-fidelity components, things like frames, headers, buttons, input fields, image placeholders, and simple cards. These are intentionally minimal so you can focus on structure and flow rather than colors and detailed visuals. From here, drag and drop components onto your canvas. Start by placing a frame that represents your screen size, then add core elements in the order your users would encounter them. Navigation at the top, a clear heading, content blocks, and calls to action. Keep it simple and consistent. If something feels off, drop in a different component and compare. Wireframing is about quick iteration, not perfection on the first try. Resize elements by dragging their handles and use Figma's smart guides to align items neatly. If your file already has layout grids enabled, they can help you keep spacing and columns consistent as you drag items into place. Duplicate elements to maintain consistency across sections and group related items to move them as one. You can also tweak text labels to describe the purpose of each element. Think primary button, search field, or hero image placeholder, so anyone reviewing the wireframe understands your intent at a glance. As you build, aim for clarity. Low fidelity shapes, clear hierarchy, and enough detail to communicate function, not aesthetics. Figma auto-saves your work as you go, so you can experiment freely. Once you're happy with the structure, give everything a quick pass for spacing, alignment, and readability, and you're done. That's the full beginner-friendly flow for creating a clean wireframe using Figma and the Wireframe plugin.